This elephant was ostracized by his herd, pushed into water, and bullied, his only form of protest being loud cries of anger. Surprisingly, the reason he was isolated was because he could paint. To protect this elephant and avoid further conflicts, the staff decided to move him to a separate area. There, the elephant could paint more safely and with greater focus. After a video of the incident was exposed, more and more people began to learn about this painting elephant. They came to the zoo to watch him paint. Away from his agitated peers, his painting skills even improved. However, he always hid his desires in his paintings, always depicting an elephant that expressed his inner thoughts. He preferred solitude over the madness of companionship, which might have been the fundamental reason for was ostracized by his herd. But now, there's no need to worry.